Headache English, family.
Today, we are going to learn 1. List of confusing words with meanings. 2. Sentence samples. 3. Quiz. 4. Advanced level practice.
Words to discuss. Ceiling versus ceiling. Serial versus serial. Change versus switch. Ideal versus idle. Interfere versus intervene.
Ceiling versus ceiling. Ceiling. Noun. Roof or the upper surface of the room. Ceiling. Noun. The process of closing something securely.
Examples. Ceiling, Mr. Jones is fixing the cracked ceiling. Sealing, Mom was sealing all raw foods before putting them in the fridge.
Let us use the words together. The workers are sealing the room with a ceiling.
Cereal versus cereal. Cereal. Noun. Grain used for food or a breakfast food that is eaten with milk. Cereal. Adjective taking place in a series or repeatedly committing the same offense.
Examples. Cereal, I ate a bowl of cereal for breakfast. Serial, a new serial is starting on Netflix tonight.
Let us use the words together. Alexa and Diane are eating cereal while watching the movie about serial killers.
Change versus switch. Change. Verb. Alter or turn into something. Switch. Noun. Replace the item with something.
Examples. Change, I need to change my diet. Switch, we switched our dog's food from kibble to raw food.
Let us use the words together. When we change our contractor, they switched all the rejected materials that were found into good quality one.
Ideal versus idle. Ideal. Adjective existing in imagination, perfect or most suitable. Idle. Noun. A person or a thing that is admired and loved.
Examples. Ideal, my dad prepared an ideal date for my mom. Idol, Taylor Swift is an idol of many teenagers.
Let us use the words together. Many students are saying that Mr. Kim is an ideal teacher and he is their idol.
Interfere versus intervene. Interfere. Verb. Hinder or prevent in a negative way or without invitation. Intervene. Noun. Prevent or alter things in a neutral way.
Examples. Interfere, emotional problems can seriously interfere with oneself. Intervene, the cops were obliged to intervene in the situation.
Let us use the words together. Some viewers interfered in the ongoing concert, so the security personnel were forced to intervene.
You're on the mid part of the video. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe and share this video.
Let us check your knowledge. Directions. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. The blank swim happily. Number 2. We are blank the invitations now. Number 3. I am looking at the blank when I notice something.
Letter A. Ceiling. Letter B. Ceiling.
The correct answers are Number 2. Letter B. We are sealing the invitations now. Number 3. Letter A. I am looking at the ceiling when I noticed something.
Number 4. The writer was fond of writing brutal blank killer stories. Number 5. Oh, no. I forgot to buy my brother's blank. Number 6. Dencio was killed when his car blank.
Letter A. Cereal. Letter B. Cereal.
The correct answers are Number 4. Letter B. The writer was fond of writing brutal serial killer stories. Number 5. Letter A. Oh, no. I forgot to buy my brother's cereal.
Number 7. I will let the tailor blank my pants. Number 8. Danielle and Dina blank schedule for a reason. Number 9. I want to buy the book but I blank my mind when I saw my wallet.
Letter A. Change. Letter B. Switch.
The correct answers are Number 8. Letter B. Daniela and Dina switched schedule for a reason. Number 9. Letter A changed. I want to buy the book but I changed my mind when I saw my wallet.
Number 10. She has been my blank since I was a child. Number 11. The blank of leaving this place makes me sick. Number 12. The park is blank for children.
Letter A. Ideal. Letter B. Idle.
The correct answers are number 10, letter B. She has been my idol since I was a child. Number 12, letter A. The park is ideal for children.
Number 13. Gino stepped blank to stop them. Number 14. You must not blank with my work. Number 15. The police did not blank until the riot started.
Letter A. Interfere. Letter B. Intervene.
The correct answers are number 14, letter A. You must not interfere with my work. Number 15, letter B. The police did not intervene until the riot started.
Now let us see how they use the words we discussed during their family picnic.
This place is very ideal when you want to unwind. It's good that we are seeing the clear skies, not just our regular ceilings at home. And we're here chatting about things, not just always watching serial movies.
You were right. I'm glad that you switched your schedule to match the park's time.
To be honest, I picked this place because one of my idols is going to perform at the open park later. And that was her reason why she changed her mind too. Park instead of the beach.
Hope no one will interfere during the performance.
I will gladly intervene with people when they do that.
That was bold of you. Anyway, let's eat now. Aunt Dina made good lunch for us. She packed it well, sealing the heat so we can eat warm food.
Alright. I'll prepare our dog cereals too.
Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you for watching.